How to remove Gemini Assistant from your home screen. So when you try to open your Gemini, you can see here when right now I just tried to open my normal Google Assistant, but whenever I try to, it opened my Google Gemini, right? So how this happens? As you know, if you're using an Android phone, right, you and in every Android phone there's a buy install Google Assistant. So if you just go to search for Google Assistant, right, and search for it, right, you can see here this is enabled. So what you have to do, you have to by default it's enabled, so you have to just go and click on enable. It will ask you to update, right, and then you have to go to the settings, right, and here you have to go to the apps management. So scroll down somewhere and here you will get the apps management, and here you will be able to find Google Assistant. Here let it load, right, and as you can see here this is Assistant. Click on it, click on force stop, and then just go and click on disable. So it will ask the password of your phone. Now disable your Google Assistant, and right now Google Gemini has been turned off. So now when I try to open my Google Gemini, it won't be happen. So this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching.